Python non-greedy regexes. How do I make a Python regex like dot, such that, given A, B, C, D, E Python matches B instead of B, C, D? I know that I can use caret instead of dot, but I'm looking for a more general solution that keeps my regex a little cleaner. Is there any way to tell Python, hey, match this as soon as possible?
You seek the all-powerful question mark. From the docs, greedy versus non-greedy. The non-greedy qualifiers? Plus, or, MN, match as little text as possible.
According to the docs, the comma plus and question mark qualifiers are all greedy. They match as much text as possible. Sometimes this behavior isn't desired if the less than greater than is matched against title. It will match the entire string, and not just dot. Adding question mark after the qualifier makes it perform the match in non-greedy or minimal fashion, as few characters as possible will be matched. Using in the previous expression will match only dot.
Would not backslash dot question mark backslash work? That is the non-greedy syntax.
Using an ungreedy match is a good start, but I'd also suggest that you reconsider any use of dot. What about this?